Hello, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today let us learn Hungarian braided chain stitch. We work this stitch in a straight line. First insert the needle. Use a blunt needle and I am using all the 6 strands of thread. Next insert the needle behind the previous stitch at a small distance and pull over the thread. You will be getting a back stitch. Now insert the needle in front of the first stitch and pull over. Insert the needle in the back stitch like this and pull over. Now insert the needle at the same point and pull it below the fabric. Now you will be getting a back stitch and a chain stitch. And now insert the needle in front of the chain stitch and pull over the thread. Once again insert the needle in the back stitch and pull over. Again insert the needle at the same point and pull it back. Now you will be getting 2 chain stitches, one small chain stitch and one bigger chain stitch. Insert the needle in front of the chain and pull over. Now insert the needle in the smaller chain like this. Now you will be having 2 chains and we have inserted the needle in the smaller chain which is inside. Keep the bigger chain little loose and then now tighten the bigger chain like this and then pull the needle and insert the needle at the same point and take it below the fabric. Now again you will be getting a bigger chain and a smaller chain. Keep the bigger chain little looser and go to the next stitch. Insert the needle, pull over and now insert the needle in the smaller chain like this and tighten the bigger chain which we have kept looser and pull over the thread. Once again insert the needle at the same point and take it back. Again we are getting one bigger chain and one smaller chain. Keep the bigger chain little loose and go to the next stitch. Again insert the needle in the smaller chain like this. Hold it and then tighten the bigger chain and pull over. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I have already posted many videos on all the chain stitches like the chain stitch, magic chain stitch, heavy chain stitch, feathered chain stitch, knotted chain stitch, cable chain stitch, twisted chain stitch, raised chain stitch, open chain stitch, double chain stitch, rosette chain stitch, whipped chain stitch, reverse chain stitch, detached chain stitch, zigzag chain stitch, knotted cable chain stitch, crested chain stitch, heart chain stitch, petal chain stitch, Russian chain stitch, single chain stitch, tied chain stitch, chained cross stitch and so many stitches, and I have shared all the video links in the description. If you have missed those videos, go to the links in the description and learn those stitches. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe and also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. And this is the back view of the stitch. You can see a line of back stitch here. Thank you for watching.